Alright guys, for this project we'll need one of these ornaments. What I'll do, I'll just cut one out and save one for the next project. So I'll need just one of this cute little ornament bowl. Then we'll need one of those miniature flower pots. I got 3 of them. I think they came in a set of 3 or 2. It was during the spring. I got it at the Dollar Tree and I didn't know what I will be using it for, but here it comes handy. So I'm gonna make a teeny tiny gumball machine. So we'll need this, the ornament, the little popper from a soda can, then a black paint, a red paint, which is, this one is Dollar Tree, this one is almost out, regular black paint, and I got some sprinkles. So those are gonna be my fake gumballs in this. It should be really quick and really easy, and my son, I think he's gonna like it. And for the ornament to like hang it on, because I'm gonna hang it, I'm gonna use this ribbon that I have from different ornament leftovers, or you can use a piece of jute. It's up to you. So now let's start working on it. Okay, so it's dry. Now I'm gonna put a funnel so I don't get it everywhere. It's a black funnel inside my ornament. You can use any sprinkles you like. I just had a bunch of different ones, so I'm gonna mix it. Well, try and mix it. Okay, those and some of this. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it turned out really cute. But if you're one of my new people, please don't forget to let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much. And I will see you in my next DIY real soon. Bye for now.